Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I'll show you how you can easily connect your PC or your laptop to a secondary screen, which can either be your monitor or your TV. So once you secure the connection, you're able to improve your productivity because of the ability to work on several tasks at the same time on different screens being created. That being said, let's dive into it and I'll show you how you can easily pull this off. So all you need is your laptop, your TV or your monitor, and then your cable. So how do you determine the cable to use? So with this, you'll need to check your port on your laptop, and then you also check the ports on the monitor. With the laptop, as you can see, I have the Ethernet port, I have the HDMI, and then I have the ones for the USB, as you can see right here. And we shall also check our monitor, and then we see which ports that we have. So as you can see at the back of my monitor, I have a DVI port, I have an HDMI port right here, and then these other ports. However, for the sake of this video, I'll be using an HDMI right here, since it is the one that is also on my laptop. So I'll be using an HDMI to HDMI cable. However, if your monitor has a DVI, you can also go ahead and use that. So having checked my monitor and then my laptop, and I found that they do have an HDMI port, so I'll be using an HDMI to HDMI port, as you can see right here. However, you can also use a USB to HDMI, and then some other cables that can be used include VGA, DVI, and very many other cables. So once you have the cable, so go ahead and plug the cable into the laptop and then into the monitor. So once you plug in the HDMI cable into your laptop and then into your monitor, go ahead and make sure that your monitor is plugged into the power source, and then go ahead and turn it on. So as you can see, when your laptop detects an active cable, by default it begins to display a duplicate screen image onto the monitor or your TV. So just in case your monitor or your TV is not showing this, don't worry, since I'll show you how you can easily fix that. So if your monitor is not showing a duplicate screen of your laptop, so what you need to do, go to the settings on your monitor or on your TV and check out which port you plug the cable into. So on your monitor, go into settings and then choose the option where it says HDMI. So as you can see, so as I keep on selecting, I have different options, as you can see over there. So go ahead and choose the one for HDMI. So HDMI is right there. Once it has connected, go ahead and right click on your laptop and then look for display settings, and then as you can see right here, so they'll bring you into display settings, as you can see, and then you can go ahead and adjust brightness and color, as you can see right here. So you can adjust according to what you want. And then if you scroll all the way down, you'll have scale and layout. So they will show you if you want to change the size of your text, apps, and other items. You can go ahead and tap on this. And then if you want display resolution, you can also go ahead and tap on that arrow and then choose the one you're interested in. And then also for display orientation. And then the other interesting thing, you can go onto multiple displays over there and then tap on that arrow. And once you tap on that arrow, they will show you different options. So the first one is duplicate these displays, as you can see. So once you duplicate, you'll be able to see your laptop screen onto your monitor or onto your TV. Then if you choose extend these displays, as you can see, so your laptop screen will be extended onto the monitor. So let me say you've opened up your browser and you want to do some other stuff. So you can decide to extend it onto your monitor, as you can see right there, and then come and do some other stuff on your laptop. And then we go to show only on one, so it will only show on your laptop, as you can see right there. And then once you choose show on only two, it will only show on your secondary screen or on your monitor. Alright, hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did and you were able to connect your laptop or your PC onto a secondary screen, let it be your monitor or your TV, go ahead and give this video a thumbs up, share the video, and go ahead and subscribe to our YouTube channel if you're new, and make sure you tap that notification bell such that you're notified whenever I release new tech content like this. Thanks for watching. See you in my next video. Bye bye.